How to get strength level 255 in Minecraft. So first, what you will need is make sure that your cheats and commands are turned on. And to do that, just simply click on escape, click on open to LAN, make sure that allow commands is turned on. Then just simply click on start LAN world. Now, once that's done, what you will need is to go to the description of this video to get the command that we will need to put to the cheats and commands here on Minecraft. So just simply click on letter T to open up the commands line, then just copy the code or command that in the description of this video, then just simply paste here on our command line. After that, click on enter, and as you can see, applied effect strength to me. So I'm gonna spawn a wither right here or a warden to check how strong our strength is. So if I hit the warden, as you can see, they are only one hit because of the strength that we applied. And that's how I basically get the strength level 255 in Minecraft.